So, welcome to this morning's little walking tour. I've just changed hotels from a supposedly 4-star hotel, which was a complete disaster, to Dewa Bharata Bungalows. Now, I have stayed here before, so I know exactly what to expect. You are definitely on the budget end of the spectrum here. I booked it for the location. I want to get a couple of massages done. I want to buy some stuff from the shopping mall. I want to have a good night on Poppies too, and then head back to the islands. So, just let me give you a little guided tour of the place. So, reception here, as you walk in, you'll be greeted by some very friendly staff. Accommodations on 2 stories. Very much a traditional style Balinese place. Lovely garden here. I think we're paying around about 12 English pounds a night, 11 English pounds a night, I think. So yeah, definitely on the budget side. Very budget friendly. I'll give you a room tour because I'm actually at this accommodation. Morning! They do have an absolutely lovely pool here. It's amazing how much bang for your buck you can get in these type of places, the smaller ones. Stayed at a 4-star resort with my friend right on the beach further up in Legian, and honestly I was utterly disappointed. And here you're paying a fraction of the price. And to be honest, this is better quality. So they have a restaurant here. It's very competitively priced. Do breakfast and lunch. Nice shaded area to have your breakfast in. They do offer drinks here as well. Small selection of beers, soft drinks. As you can see the condensation on there, these drinks are icy cold. They are really cool, and they are super cheap as well. You can't even buy them from the supermarket at the same price you get them from here, so it's cheaper to drink here than it is to pop to the local Circle K. So you've got a easy entry here, step in, nice deep water here, lovely for a swim. And I'll show you around my room. Gardens are immaculately kept. Look how beautiful these gardens are. As I say, from the last place I was staying, this is, considering it's a fraction of the price, it's a fifth of the price, and it's twice the quality. Really disappointed in my last place. Okay, so the room again, a couple of chairs outside. There we go. Virtually pool view nearly. Can't argue with that. Okay, aircon's on, nice and cool. Very dated, the room, to be honest. Furniture isn't great, but I'm not expecting a lot when I'm not paying much. As long as it's got the basics. It doesn't smell of mould. Last time I came, it did have a whiff of mould, but they seem to have cured that. You can see here, obviously, it's not the best in the world. It's got a little bit of damp going on, but I'm only here for a night or so. And it's the location I've gone for more than anything. Got a bath, sink, nice and basic. Room's a decent size. Jumps on a bed, it's nice and comfortable. Flat screen TV, PowerPoint, and PowerPoint for charging the old phone. So as far as I'm concerned, from what I'm paying, I am more than happy being here. So yeah, if you've stayed at any places like this and you've got recommendations for good areas to stay in at really competitively budget prices, leave a comment below. I always find it's really helpful to give recommendations to people. I mean, there must be a zillion places I've never visited that must be absolutely banging. So if you do know anywhere, can recommend anywhere, leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. If you do like this kind of content, please do subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, show me some love. And if you know someone who's coming to Bali, why not give the video a share? Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.